is for city use while the other is tailored to the off-road. Much like Mercedes is selling the X-Class in pure, progressive, and power specifications, Carlex Design has given the Nissan Navara-based pickup truck off-road and urban identities. Both start off as a base X-Class, and then the former will set you back a cool $13,995, $17,200 for the conversion, whereas the latter is significantly more expensive, at $16,995, $21,000. We'd go with the more rugged off-road version, as it looks like it could easily survive the zombie apocalypse thanks to its chunky tires and a jacked-up suspension. The fully customized exterior kit adds plastic cladding all over the body, along with bulging fenders, an engine protection cover, as well as sidebars and a roof-mounted light bar to better see into the night. Inside the X-Class Urban, Carlex Design has installed a pair of Recaro front seats wrapped around in plush burgundy leather, also seen on the door panels, steering wheel, and on top of the dashboard. This one too has been bathed in carbon fiber and has an assortment of other upgrades, allowing the pickup truck to send out the premium vibe some people are looking for when shopping for an X-Class or a Volkswagen Amarok.